Pakistan has moved to replace its older P-3C Orion naval spy plane fleet more than 2 months after its arch-rival India sought clearance from the US to buy more P-8 Poseidon maritime patrol aircraft. Italian defense company Leonardo has been given the charge by Pakistan Navy to upgrade 3 Embraer Lineage 1000 regional jetliners into long-range maritime patrol aircraft. Last month, Pakistan's Ministry of Defense Production signed a $190 million contract with the Italian company. Pakistan already has 1 Embraer Lineage aircraft, and according to the terms of the contract, it will acquire 2 more. The 3 aircraft are then slated for a series of modifications in designs, installations, and incorporation of anti-submarine warfare and maritime patrol. Subsequently, the planes are expected to be deployed in the service as part of the Sea Sultan patrol. It is believed that the Embraer Lineage 1000 jetliner will replace the older P-3C Orion long-range maritime patrol aircraft of the Pakistani Navy. In October 2020, when the Embraer Lineage 1000 jetliner was chosen to replace its older maritime patrol fleet, questions were raised on the possible issues that may arise in converting a jetliner into a maritime patrol aircraft. A major reason for the Pakistani Navy in choosing the Italian company had been its past association. Pakistan Navy's RAS-72 Sea Eagle aircraft and Sea-King helicopters are already equipped with the Leonardo Sea Spray radar, while its anti-submarine warfare aircraft is equipped with the Leonardo torpedo release systems. The Italian company has also provided the Pakistani military with Grifo radars for Mirage 3 and Chinese-made J-7 or F-7 fighters. In May, Naval Technology reported that India is set to acquire 6 more P-8I maritime patrol aircraft from the US. Developed by Boeing, the P-8 Poseidon is meant to operate mainly as anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, and shipping interdiction aircraft. The P-8I is the Indian variant of the P-8A Poseidon multi-mission maritime aircraft. The P-8I is expected to replace the older fleet of the Tupolev Tu-142 aircraft. Last November, the Indian Navy received its 9th P-8I aircraft as part of the $1 billion deal signed with the United States for 4 additional planes back in 2016. The aircraft is 39.47 meter long, 12.83 meter high, and has a wingspan of 37.64 meter. The cockpit of the aircraft is equipped with a primary flight display, multifunction displays, and an identification friend or foe system. It has a magnetic anomaly detection system, multimode radar, and Raytheon surveillance radar. The aircraft's internal weapons bay can carry Mark 54 torpedoes, depth charges, Harpoon anti-ship missiles, and freefall bombs. Flying at a maximum speed of 789 km per hour, the aircraft can reach an altitude of 12,496 meters. Thank you everyone for watching this video.